Well, it is a Friday and I am back in the office. I was in Philadelphia this morning representing a client at a preliminary hearing, then came back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey to see some clients in the afternoon session. Came out with the weekly e-update today, which went to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. In addition, our monthly update went out this week. It's our March update. Now, our monthly update, as many of you know, brings together our most popular content from the previous month, so it'll be February, and our weekly e-update brings together all the latest content for that week. Both are great resources, and I'm going to link in the links in the links here in the description to this video, but some fantastic articles. In the monthly update, I discuss what occurred with the NBA player being charged with assault, the NHL players, one being Flyers goalie Carter Hart being charged with sexual assault in Canada. In addition, I talk about the Richard Sherman case, and he was arrested for drunk driving. Now, I use these examples, they are from the sports world, but not to embarrass anybody, but I just use them as examples to show that anybody can be charged with a crime when it's a Hollywood actor or sports figure or someone famous. I use those examples just to show that this can happen to pretty much anybody, especially when it comes with a DUI case or an assault case. And I break down the difference between say, an aggravated versus a simple assault, like in the NBA case. I explain what sexual assault means in the NHL case. And with regards to the Richard Sherman case, the drunk driving case, I talk about what you should and should not do and how he could have made his case a little better following his stop for alleged DUI. So important information, especially going into the weekend. We provide it at no cost to our clients and their families, and we provide it to you because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. It is Friday. Every Friday, I give my weekly advice. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It'll never help your criminal case. Be polite and be respectful to the officer, but do not give consent to search your property or your person. I'm dealing with a case now out in one of the counties outside of Philadelphia where the driver gave consent, and had he not given consent, the case would have been in a lot better position. I still think there's a lot we can do with the case, but it's obviously in a more difficult defense position at this point. So I always tell people, be respectful to the officer, but don't give consent. Remember that warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. So they're permissible in the Garden State. They are not permissible in Pennsylvania. Police need a warrant to search a car unless there's an exception to the warrant rule, it being, for instance, in plain view, or the biggest exception is if the driver gives consent to search. Once you give consent to search your property, you negate all of your rights under the state and U.S. Constitution. So you don't want to do that. If the officer says that he or she's going to get a warrant, let them get a warrant. If they say that they're going to impound the car and get a warrant, let them do that. If they say that they're going to arrest you, this may sound hard, but let them arrest you. It will put you in a better position. More than likely, you're going to be arrested anyway. So keep that in the back of your mind. If they tell you that, just tell us what happened, tell us what, where you've gone, where you've been, and we'll go easy on you, respectfully to the officer. They don't have that kind of authority. If you admit a crime, they have to arrest you. So remember that. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gamboandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. We make these resources available to you at no cost, because we want you to understand your rights. We want you to understand our law firm and what we're offering you as clients when you join us. So once again, have a great weekend. Please be safe, and I'll talk to you all very soon.